How to fix horizontal lines on phone screen. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Marina and let's get started. To solve this issue, you actually have to open your phone setting, so go ahead and do that. Now in your setting, tap on the search icon right here at the top. Now search for system update or just update and tap on system update. If there is any update available, leave it for an update. If not, let it be. On to the next step, scroll down and tap on apps. Select the application you are facing this issue with. For an example, let's say I have this issue on Discord. Just tap on Discord. Now first and foremost, tap on force stop, then tap on storage and cache, and then clear cache if there is any. Now this might fix the bug, or if not, head back and then you have to go ahead and tap on display and brightness. Tap on screen colors. Now you can adjust it accordingly. You can even switch it to pro or bright, or you can just set it to default. By doing this, you might fix the issue, and this is the end of this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.